Welcome to this tutorial on how to sell NFTs on crypto.com. Selling NFTs can be a great way to monetize your digital art or collectibles. To get started, you will need to have a crypto.com account and a digital wallet. First, navigate to the crypto.com NFT marketplace and click on the Create button to begin the process of selling your NFT. You will need to select the NFT you want to sell from your digital wallet. Make sure you have the necessary permissions and ownership rights to the NFT. Next, set a price for your NFT. You can choose to list it at a fixed price or auction it off to the highest bidder. Consider the rarity and uniqueness of your NFT, as well as the current market demand, when determining the price. After setting the price, add a description of your NFT. This should include details about the artwork, the artist, and any special features or provenance. A clear and accurate description will help attract potential buyers and reduce the risk of disputes. You will also need to set the royalty percentage you want to receive for any future sales of your NFT. This is typically a percentage of the sale price and can range from 5 to 10%. Once you have completed these steps, review and confirm the details of your listing. Make sure everything is accurate and complete before submitting it to the marketplace. After your NFT is listed, it will be visible to all users of the crypto.com NFT marketplace. You can promote your listing on social media or other channels to attract more buyers. When a buyer purchases your NFT, the sale will be facilitated by the crypto.com platform and the payment will be transferred to your digital wallet. To increase your chances of selling your NFT, make sure to follow best practices such as providing high-quality images, responding promptly to inquiries, and being transparent about the ownership and provenance of the NFT. By following these steps and tips, you can successfully sell your NFT on crypto.com and take advantage of the growing market for digital art and collectibles.